The Dell WD22TB4 docking station acts as a central hub for your laptop, connecting multiple displays, USB devices, and more via a single Thunderbolt 4 cable. Resetting it resolves common issues like connectivity problems, power delivery failures, or unresponsive peripherals. It's a quick fix before resorting to more complex troubleshooting. A reset restores the WD22TB4 docking station to its default settings, clearing any temporary glitches and software conflicts that may have developed over time. This process does not erase any data on your laptop or connected devices, keeping your files and settings safe. Think of it as a simple reboot for your dock, resolving software-level issues like driver malfunctions or improper device communication without affecting hardware. Locate the reset button on the back of the WD22TB4 near the ports. Ensure the dock is powered on. Use a paperclip or similar tool to press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. Release the button and wait for the dock to power cycle. This performs a hard reset, often resolving most common issues. If the physical reset doesn't work, try a full power cycle as an alternative method. Start by disconnecting all cables from the WD22TB4 docking station. First, unplug the power adapter from both the dock and the wall outlet. Next, disconnect the Thunderbolt 4 cable connecting the dock to your laptop. Wait for 30 seconds to allow any residual power to fully dissipate from the dock. Now reconnect all the cables you disconnected, the power adapter and the Thunderbolt 4 cable. Finally, power on the docking station. This power cycle method achieves a similar result to the physical reset button. For persistent issues with your Dell WD22TB4 docking station, try a software reset by uninstalling and reinstalling the drivers. This ensures you have the latest, most compatible drivers. On Windows, open Device Manager by searching for it in the Start menu. Expand the Universal Serial Bus Controllers or Thunderbolt Devices section. Right-click your WD22TB4 and select Uninstall Device. Make sure to check the option to attempt removing the driver, then uninstall. Restart your computer and Windows will automatically reinstall the latest drivers. On macOS, open System Report by searching in Spotlight or going to Apple menu, About This Mac, then System Report. In the left sidebar, select Thunderbolt or USB. Find your WD20TB4 in the list, note the details, then physically disconnect the dock. Reconnect it, and macOS will automatically reinstall the drivers. This software reset method addresses driver conflicts and ensures your docking station works with the latest firmware updates, providing a clean reinstall for optimal performance. After resetting your Dell WD22TB4 docking station, some issues may persist. Let's troubleshoot the most common problems and their solutions. If there's no power after reset, check all cable connections between the dock and your laptop. Ensure your laptop supports power delivery through the Thunderbolt port. If displays aren't detected, open Windows Display Settings and verify the resolution and multiple display configuration match your setup. For unresponsive USB devices, open Windows Device Manager and update the drivers for the docking station and connected peripherals. For specific error codes or compatibility issues, visit Dell's support website or use the Help and Support application for detailed troubleshooting guides. If resetting doesn't resolve the issue, the problem may be hardware-related. Common hardware issues include a faulty HDMI port, which can be exacerbated by humid environments. Overheating can also occur during extended use, potentially damaging internal components. In these cases, contact Dell support for warranty service or repair options. The WD22TB4 is typically covered by warranty through 2028 for units purchased after 2024. To future-proof your WD22TB4 docking experience, keep the firmware updated for optimal performance and compatibility. Dell regularly releases firmware updates to enhance Thunderbolt protocol handling and address any bugs. Also, stay informed about emerging trends such as modular docks and Thunderbolt 5, expected in 2027. These innovations may shape the future of docking station technology.